Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Ton from Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper. Alright, so in order to get started, open up your Telegram, which is the Telegram social media app. Open this up. Once you've opened up, the icon at the top left, click on this icon. You're taken to your menu where you select the wallet, so click on wallet. Make sure you have some Ton here, and make sure you have some Ton to cover your gas fees. So click on send, click on external wallet, and then you're asked to provide an address. Minimize and open up the Tonkeeper application, which is a Web3 wallet in itself. Click on the Ton coin, click on receive, copy this address, minimize and open up the Telegram wallet. Paste the address you had just copied, click on the Ton address, enter the amount you wish to send, and the minimum amount is set to 0.1. So make sure you have up to 0.1 Ton to send, and then simply click on continue. By doing this, you'll be able to send your Ton tokens from your Telegram wallet to the Tonkeeper wallet whilst paying some gas fees for the transaction. There are small amounts, but make sure you have enough to cover your gas fees. So once you've sent, open up the Tonkeeper wallet, perform a simple reload here, and you'd find your Ton tokens has been sent over from your Telegram wallet to your Tonkeeper wallet here. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.